reason why I chose Icon is because back then I was very much still in the entertainment world, but I was acting. But I wasn't happy with auditions, being put down in acting class. I always produced music, but I came across this article from this DJ named Mac J, and I read the article, and he mentioned how he learned how to produce music at Icon Collective. So the more I asked around people that I knew in the music business and whatnot, they all co-signed Icon. So I just decided to take a chance, and I booked a little interview, and then I found myself there like 3 months later. I was just a bedroom producer. I didn't even know what panning was. I just knew how to make beats. But coming to Icon, it really instilled in me a sense of professionalism and how you should view a project. Without coming to Icon, I would have been basically like a ship without a sail. I graduated winter class of 2015. Fast forward a little bit later to 2018, I find myself playing Tent at Coachella. I would say it was one of my biggest moments because prior to talking about going to Icon, I had to bring up to my parents that I wanted to leave acting behind. And in their eyes, things were going really well with acting, but I hated it internally. It wasn't what I truly wanted to do. Music was always my main passion. When I got called for Coachella, when I got the call to play the Tent, of course the first person I wanted to bring was my dad so that he could experience Coachella and see me perform and whatnot. And that was a big moment because it was at that point where he was like, wow, you really did it. And I think there's a bright future for you. The biggest piece of advice I would give to an emerging artist is to not get bogged down comparing yourself to other artists and where they are in their journey. Everything happens in divine timing. So if you just attack your project with hard work, dedication, relentless commitment, and an undying belief in yourself, you will reach the goals that you have in mind for yourself. This brand new EP of mine called Return to Forever, it sort of signifies my return to what I do best. As artists, we are always trying to get back to that place, that source. That is your forever. Whenever you start to stray away, you have to remember that place of creativity. And this EP, I think, is the best work that I've done, and it showcases the exact style of music that I want to present to the world.